Hi everyone, I'm back again with another simple tutorial, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove an object from a video background using the Capcut app. To begin with, I'll create a new project and import the video that I want to use. Our video is now on our timeline. So this is what it looks like right now. The next thing I'm going to do is to take a screenshot of this video. Then I'll go back to my phone gallery to edit the screenshot that I just took. The next thing I am going to do is to go over to the Snap Edit app, so I'll be able to remove the object I don't want to be on the background of this image. If you don't have the Snap Edit app, you can go to Play Store to download it. All right, so I have it right here. I'll just open the app. Here we are on the Snap Edit home page. If you look here, you see they have a lot of things that you can use to enhance the quality of your images. But for today, we want to remove an object from our video. So to do that, click. I'll go ahead to choose the photo that I just cropped on my phone gallery. Reduce. This is the object that I want to remove from our video background. And then I'll use my hand to draw out the place I want to cut out. Like this. If you made a mistake like this and you mistakenly brush out the place you were not intending to remove, what you do is to click here and go back. Now that I'm done selecting the part that I want to remove from the background, then I'll go ahead to click on the blue remove button. The objects have been deleted from our video background, but if you look closely, you see that that area is still very rough. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead and brush it again. Now you can see the effect of the second brushing. The objects have been removed from our photo background. So the next thing I'm going to do is to save the image to my phone gallery. I am back on Capcut to continue editing the video. The next thing I'm going to do now is to add the photo we just edited from the Snap Edit app to our timeline. The photo have been added. Now what I'm going to do next is to click on it, and then I'll go to the menu and I'll click on overlay. The photo is now on the overlay section. What I'll do now is to drag it while my overlay photo is still highlighted. I'll go back to the menu again and I'll click on mask. If you look here, you see there are different shapes you can choose from. You can choose any one of them depending on the objects you want to remove from your video background. For the sake of this video, I'm going to choose rectangle. If you look here, you see the mask sign. So what I'm going to do is to move the mask to the object that I want to remove. to resize it so it fits the object that I want to cut out. When I'm done placing the mask on the object that I want to remove from the video, I'll go ahead and mask. The objects have been removed from the video totally, like there's no trace of it. Okay, let me play the video again for you to see the outcome. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you were able to grab one or two. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it on the comment section and I will do my best to attend to them. If you gain value at the course of this video, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving this video a thumbs up as it helps the channel to grow. Thank you so much and see you on my next one. Bye bye.